What about perjury? He was in a Senate hearing. He did it under oath.
Pagkatapos niyang ilabas yung kanyang masinungaling video, then that would open him up indeed to charges of perjury.
So what about the case of perjury here?
Until now, I believe he was telling the truth during the Senate hearing. Pero totoo, kung sakaling may sinabi siya doon na kahit isang kasinungalingan, he would have perjured himself dahil gaya ng binanggit mo, under oath siya noon. And speaking nga of perjury, kung meron siyang in-execute nga na affidavit ngayon, pagkatapos niyang ilabas yung kanyang masinungaling video, then that would open him up indeed to charges of perjury. Kasabay na ng cyber libel na inihain ko na kahapon laban sa kanya in any forum, Karen. The truth can stand up for itself. At hanggang ngayon, pinaninindigan ko yung katotohanang inilabas namin pati sa pamamagitan ni Michael Maurilio noon at ng mga 13 pang ibang mga witnesses. So he's not the only, not even the star witness, but I stand by yung mga findings at recommendations ng aming committee report, draft committee report, dun sa investigasyon namin laban kay Apollo Kibuloy at sa KOJC.